Welcome to Tech It Simple, the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching the Telegram series, part 19. In today's video, I will show you how to change the storage location in Telegram. Firstly, ensure you have secondary storage such as an SD card inserted in your mobile device. Without it, you won't see the option to change the storage location as your device will only have internal storage. If your device has an SD card inserted, then let's proceed with the steps. Open your Telegram application. Click on the three lines at the top left and access the Settings button. On this page, click on Data and Storage. You will find the storage path option here. When selected, it presents two choices, internal storage and SD card. If you choose internal storage, Telegram's files and data will be saved on your device's internal storage by default. Similarly, opting for the SD card will direct Telegram to store files on the inserted SD card. Select what you want. Here, I'm selecting the SD card option, so from now on, any downloaded or saved files, images, and videos will reside on my SD card. If you wish to change this setting again, simply follow these steps. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.